This is the world's largest cordless circular saw, and in this video, we're putting it to the test.
What do we have going on here?
We got Makita's new 16-inch beast. It's actually 16 and 5/16 inches, but we're gonna run this thing through the gamut of testing. Now, here's the deal. I know you're not gonna be able to believe this. This thing's cordless. Yes.
Wow. One battery?
One battery. This monstrosity will run on one of their XGT batteries because it runs at 40 volts max. Makita's GSH06 is built around their XGT platform. That's Makita's high output 40 volt battery system. The saw weighs 24.3 pounds. With battery, you've got a full 6¼ inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees, which means you can cut clear through 6x material in one single pass. And here's something you don't see often. Because of that deep 6¼ inch capacity, you can gang cut roof rafters, laminated beams, or I-joists in a single motion. No flipping, no second pass. That's a game changer. Here's the other thing. I'm gonna throw this on here. Feel the saw. Like, what were you expecting?
I was expecting it to be a lot more front heavy, but even when you grab it like this, I mean, it's a nice size saw. It's a heavy saw, but it's pretty balanced.
I mean, look at the size of it. Like, put it up by your head. Like, look at the size of that thing.
It's a beast.
You wanna make a cut with it?
And by the looks of it, I thought it would be heavier. Yeah, I'll give it a pass. You got a safety trigger up here. Sled, right line of sight. Okay. Smooth.
Now, here's the thing.
Very smooth.
Do you feel like it's struggled in any way, shape, or form making that cut?
Not at all. Not at all. And I didn't feel the weight at all going through this. I mean, the way it's balanced, it didn't feel like it wanted to fall forward on me or anything. I mean, very smooth, very nice saw. I was expecting a lot more struggle with a tool of this size.
Now, it's great to have a massive saw. You need to have a battery platform that can power a massive saw, but you have to have a blade that works to make all this possible. And the GSH06 ships with a brand new max efficiency blade. It's 16 and 5/16, thin kerf, and engineered for less drag. Makita claims up to 60% faster cutting and 50% more cuts per charge compared to standard blades. Now, here's the deal. You have infinite adjustment. We're set at the minimum depth of cut for this saw. Minimum depth of cut is, so we're at 13/16 for minimum depth of cut.
So just more than 3/4.
So we're a tick more.
Yeah, tick more.
We can also set bevel. We're gonna loosen this bolt here. We can loosen this bolt here. And you can see we have some measurements on our bevel scale. So we're able to we're looking at right around 1/2 inch, between 7/16 and 1/2 inch. The depth of cut adjustment, we're right here. This lever is so like buttery smooth. And here's the deal, once it's loose, the adjustment also very, very smooth. Now, here's the deal. Let's see what type of depth of cut we get at 45 degrees. I gotta be honest with you. That is really impressive. I mean, you're talking about almost fully, like full through a 6x6 at 45 degrees. you're at like 4 3/4 of an inch. You can see here we have the ability to put a guide in, slide it through our shoe, our foot. We have onboard tool storage here on the tool, as well as a blade stop for when we're changing our blades. We're AWS capable, so you put your Bluetooth sending unit in there. It will send the signal to your dust extractor, so your dust extractor will come on and turn off automatically. It's a pretty strong blade brake. It's a 16 and 5/16 size blade.
Yeah, it stops it pretty quick. That's a lot of momentum it's got to stop.
It is a lot of momentum.
Let me see what you can do with a plunge cut with that thing.
Okay. If that doesn't impress you, I don't know what would. Feel how smooth that cut is.
I know.
Holy Lord.
That's finish grade.
Here's what everybody wants to know though. I say 75 cuts.
How much batteries
I mean,
left?
we made 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts. We made that plunge cut.
We made more cuts than that. We made we made the bevel cuts. We made 8 cuts.
So
plus
here's the
plunge
thing though. Think about cutting through a 6x6 just 5 years ago. How many cuts would you have had to make through that 6x6? And where would this battery be?
We'd be constantly swapping out batteries.
You wouldn't have a saw of this size, number one. Number two, you'd be swapping these batteries
Constantly.
This is pretty amazing. And I feel like making your plunge cuts through 6x6s effortlessly. Smash the like button. It's free for you to do. It doesn't cost you a dime. Plus, you'll get 7 years of good luck. Let us know down in the comment section below. What do you think of Makita's new cordless beast? Do you love it? Or will you be sticking with your corded version? We want to know. Leave it all below. While you're down there, if you're early to this video, join the notification squad by typing the word first. And if you are indeed first, you will be nominated for an illustrious award and possibly win a wonderful title. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. I hope to see you all on the next one.